Good morning to all of you. Honorable Chief Guest of Annual Cultural Functions of 2023. Honorable Headmaster, respected teachers, friends, brothers, sisters, my dear classmates and audience. A very warm welcome to all at our school annual function and Signal Salam. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am very happy. I have a chance for telling something about Lokshikatha. Do you know what are Lokshikatha? Oh